What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. How to get $250,000 in business credit with credit cards. Obtaining $250,000 in business credit with credit cards can be a challenging task, but it is not impossible. Here are some steps that can help you achieve this goal. Build your personal credit score. Before you can apply for a business credit card, you will need to have a good personal credit score. This is because most business credit cards are issued based on the personal credit of the business owner or the person applying for the card. A good personal credit score will increase your chances of being approved for a business credit card with a large credit limit. Establish your business credit. In addition to building your personal credit, you will also need to establish your business credit. This can be done by registering your business with major business credit reporting agencies, such as Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. You can also establish credit by opening a business checking account, or business savings account and submitting invoices to suppliers with trade references. Apply for business credit cards. Once you have a good personal credit score and have established your business credit, you can start applying for business credit cards. When applying for a business credit card, you will be asked to provide information about your business, such as your business name, business tax ID number, and annual revenue. Maximize credit limits. Once you have been approved for a business credit card, it's important to use it responsibly, pay on time, and stay below the credit utilization limit. By doing this, you may be able to request credit limit increases which will give you access to more credit. Apply for multiple credit cards. You can also apply for multiple business credit cards. By having multiple credit cards, you can increase your overall credit limit and have more flexibility in managing your finances. Be mindful that you might be requiring a higher personal credit score when applying for more credit cards from different issuers. Leverage vendor credit. An additional way to increase business credit is by leveraging vendor credit. Vendor credit is credit that is extended to you by suppliers, which you can use to purchase goods and services. If you have a good payment history, you may be able to increase your vendor credit limit over time. Look for secured business credit cards. Secured credit cards are another option for building business credit. Secured credit cards require a security deposit to open the account. However, these can be an easier option for businesses that have no credit history or low credit scores. In summary, obtaining $250,000 in business credit with credit cards is possible by building personal credit, establishing business credit, applying for multiple credit cards, maximizing credit limits, leveraging vendor credit, and if needed looking for secured credit cards. Keep in mind that this process will take time and effort, and you will need to manage your credit responsibly to achieve this goal. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.